Hello everyone, welcome back to Think Numerically. Let's grow together and share knowledge. In this video, we are going to solve one of the important problems related to this concept. An article is marked at 5,000 rupees. So here, what is given in the question? Marked price is 5,000. Rate of GST 5%. A trader buys it at a discount. So there is a trader in this scenario. Let's make the GST chain. So there is a trader in the center. He buys the article at some discount amount. Okay, we don't know what is the discount. Okay, and sells it to a customer. So he is selling it to the customer at market price. Market price we have already written in the question, which is 5,000 rupees. If the trader pays rupees 60 as GST to the government, so GST value is given. GST paid by the trader is rupees 60. Okay, what percent of discount does the trader get? So this kind of question will come for 4 marks. It is one of the important questions and where students find it bit tricky. How do we solve it? So what is given in the question? First analyze that. What is given? GST paid by the dealer, sorry, paid by the trader to the government is given, which is rupees 60. And how do you calculate GST paid to the government? GST paid is output GST minus input GST, which is ITC, right? So here for the scenario, we will calculate output GST, input GST in terms of X, because we don't know what was the value at which the trader had bought the item. So first of all, we will assume that, okay, let cost price for trader be X. So here, suppose he has bought the article at rupees X, and what is given input. For input, we are calculating GST. So ITC or input tax will be how much? GST percent is 5%. So 5% of X you will calculate, which is 5 upon 100 times X. When you simplify this, what do you get? 5 ones are 5 twos are 10 and this 0. So it is X upon 20. This is input. Similarly, you will calculate output GST. So output GST is when the trader sells it to the customer. So he is selling to the customer for 5,000. So GST on that will be 5% of 5,000 rupees. So 5% again, you know, it is 5 upon 100 times 5,000. When you simplify, this two zeros are cancelled and you get 5 5s are 25. So it is 250. Output GST is 250. Now we know that GST paid to the government by the trader is given 60 rupees. So GST paid, what is the formula? Input GST and output GST we take into consideration. So that is output GST 250 minus input GST, which we have found in terms of X. So X upon 20 equals to 60. Now to find X, we take it over the other side. So um, you take 60 over here and minus X upon 20 over there. So when you simplify, you get X upon 20 equals to 250 minus 60. So when you subtract 250 minus 60, so 250 minus 50 gives you 200, and then minus 10, so which is 190. So when you simplify this ahead, you get value of X. Here 20 is in division, so it goes there as multiplication. So it is 190 multiplied by 20. So you get value of x as 19 twos is 38. So 3 8 and this two zeros. So he got the article for 3,800. So this is the price at which the trader had bought the article. Now if you read the first question again, what they have asked, what percent of discount did the trader get? Clearly we know he has got a discount, right? So first, to find discount percentage, you need to calculate discount. Okay. So discount is how much? The marked price is 5,000, right? But he got the article at 3,800. So 5,000 minus 3,800 gives you 1,200, right? And so similarly, now to calculate discount percentage, the formula is you take discount, which is 1,200, divided by marked price, which is 5,000, and you are calculating percentage. So you take fraction and you multiply by 100. Here the fraction is discount over marked price. So discount upon marked price multiplied by 100 you do. So this two zeros get cancelled and this one zero gets cancelled over here. So this gives you 120 divided by 5. So which is nothing but 5 2 times gives you 10, and then 5 4 times gives you 20. So which is 24%. First question we have answered, which is 24% discount he got. And next, second part of the question, you need to calculate total amount paid by the trader including tax to buy the article. So of course he had got the article at discount of 1,200, so he bought the article for 3,800. That is the cost price of the article for trader, right? And now he must have paid some tax also, so we need to calculate GST for this. So for trader, the cost price of the article is, which we have just calculated in the first part, 3,800. Now you need to calculate GST on this. So GST for the trader, GST rate is given 5%. So 5% of 3,800. So 5% is nothing but 5 upon 100 times 3,800. These two zeros get cancelled, you multiply. So 8 5s are gives you 40, carry 4, 5 3s are 15, plus 4 gives you 19. So it is yeah, 190 rupees GST, right? And you need to find total amount paid. So total money paid by the trader will be how much? Cost price plus GST. So 3,800 plus GST, which is 190. So the zeros get add, 9 gets add, 8 plus 1 gives you 9 and 3. So it will be 39,000, sorry, 3,990. That's it in this video. I hope this video was useful to you. So there are multiple types of questions on the same method. Do try such questions and keep practicing, keep learning. Thank you.